Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Reshade uses the same rendering API as the game. You choose DirectX 9/10/11/12, OpenGL, or Vulkan during install. Once done, back up the original game files and any existing Reshade files. Next, drop the SSO preset, Inai plus its textures and shader folders into the game directory. Run the game and press the Reshade home key to install effects. Then select the SSO preset from the drop-down to load it. Now you tweak the preset so visuals match performance expectations. Start by adjusting global intensity and then toggle individual shaders, bloom, ambient occlusion, or chromatic aberration, so you get the look you want without killing FPS. Make incremental changes and test a few scenes. Once satisfied, use the performance mode or lower sample counts for demanding effects. Make sure to save your edits under a new profile name so you can revert to the original SSO preset if something looks off. To finish, lock your settings by saving and exiting the Reshade menu, then play a longer session to confirm stability and appearance across lighting conditions. If you see flicker or crashes, disable overlays, Steam, Discord, and try toggling VSync or full screen/windowed modes. Those often resolve frame timing conflicts. If problems persist, rename or remove the Reshade. Inai to reset, reinstall Reshade, and reapply the SSO preset. This clean reapply is the quickest fix for corrupted or mismatched files.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.